सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching daily current affairs. Listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. Which country is set to start Knock Every Door campaign to boost vaccination? A. China, B. India, and C. Indonesia, and D. USA. So the right option is here, India. B. Second question. India's Chief Election Commissioner Sushil Chandra has recently overseen the presidential election of which country? A. Singapore, B. Uzbekistan, C. Sri Lanka, and D. Thailand. The correct answer is option B. Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan. Question number 3. Which institution convened the Pune Dialogue on National Security 2021? Pune International Center, option A. Option B, Home Affairs Ministry. Option C, NITI Ayog, means Niti Ayog. And option D, IFSC. Correct option is option A, Pune International Center. National Formulary of India, NFI, which was recently launched, was drafted by which institution? First option A, Indian Medical Association. Option B, AIIMS. Option C, Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission. Option D, Indian Council of Medical Research. Option C, Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission is the correct answer. Which Indian state has topped the Public Affairs Index PAI 2021? Option A, Tamil Nadu. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Telangana. And option D, Gujarat. The correct option is option B, Kerala. This is the right answer. So students, I have completed my short lecture in here. Namaskar.